What's up, guys? Hopefully you guys have had an amazing week so far. Friday today, a lot's happening today. NFB Friday, so it's gonna be good, man. All right, so let me set off my trading view real quick. Cool. So sorry about ooh. I just opened up trading MT4 and we're pushing hard on the 5 minutes candle here. Alright. Okay. That's a daily flat. Yep. Anyway, without further ado, the hourly candle just literally just closed. So let me just do my analysis real quick, and then we jump into it. Let's not FOMO here because it's only still starting of the day. So overall, on the monthly, I'm seeing that the monthly actually come up and start filling the wick here. I'm assuming that you should be able to fill the wick overall. So the monthly should be able to come up and fill the wick. Once you fill the wick, potentially you could break the high the same as the May monthly candle, and then once you do that, I'm assuming that that is what's gonna happen first, and then what it does after that, I don't know whether it's gonna start to retrace and print the same candle like May, or it's gonna just like completely reject and then print a bearish candle for all I know, right? After create a huge top wick. So that is that one possibility of the monthly candle. So overall, like, we look for the monthly candle to come up and fill the wick. So weekly candle, I'm assuming that if you are pushing up on a weekly and fill the wick, then the range you have is towards that 24.15. That is the top of the resistance on a weekly. You establish this range right here, and today is the last day of the weekly candle, and if you are going to close bullish on a weekly candle here, I'm assuming that you should be able to next week should be able to come up for the wick, push towards that level resistance 24.15, which is our monthly wick fill. Resistant on a weekly as well, push up there after creating a bottom wick, and that's as a weekly. So let me drop down to daily because that is where things get more interesting. So daily, so far of the day, you literally come down, you close above these level right here onto your left. Cool. So what is the range that you have? So I'm assuming that you should be able to push towards these level onto your left right here, because that's where you close off, right? 390, this level right here. Now you're coming down here, so far into the London session. I'm assuming that you should be able to, if you do flip and rebreak that high, you should be able to tap into these levels into a level at 23.96, or even 20.40. But overall, these are the level. I'm assuming that if the daily end up flipping, you will end up tap into these levels. So that is a daily close bullish above the range. Cool. Last time you did that, I've seen this particular candle here. Last time you close above, you grab massive liquidity right up here before you come down, rip down towards 23.45. So that is the daily. In terms of daily, you close above the range. It's really up to how today candle will close here, because if you close respecting to the support and then the next daily candle open up bullish, then you know what it means, right? It's been just a rip up and for the rest of the range on the daily, and that also means a monthly wick fill as well. So let me drop down into a 4 hours. Okay, so we literally are driving really hard here, my friend, which is cool. So you have a level resistance right here. Did you tap into okay, so there's a level resistance right here. There's a level of support right here. They have a support sitting right here as well that I'm seeing. That I'm seeing there's a level right here. So let me just mock it up real quick then. Funny because you close literally respecting. Where is volume coming from, by the way? Massive volume, man. Which is very nice. Yeah, overall you have like level of I'll say right here though, that is your support here. So if you close back below that range, then I'll assume that you should be propping down towards this level right here. So we'll see. So let's see the 1 hour. In terms of 1 hour, you have the range. Okay, cool. Let me see current. resistance right here as well. Let's see a 4 hours, because I'm pretty sure there is a level of resistance right here. I'm assuming it equals back inside this range here. There is support and resistance right here. There is a support right there. So let me drop down to 30. In terms of 30, you have this minor level right here on your left. I can see there's a minor level right here. And there's one right here as well. Alright, let me see how the 15 candle will close here. How's the 4 hours looking? So you're coming up here, tap here, and you're driving all the way down. So where would you drive down towards before you actually come back up and flip? Towards here. I'm looking at the time that you actually drive back down here as well, which is very, very possible. I'll wait for the 15 candle closure here, because you get the 15 candle closing in 49 seconds. So the 15 candle close. Let's see how it prints. Then I'm assuming you should be just up all the way down to us. 23.49 now, because that is the range that you probably push down to us. Last time you tap here, you come all the way down here to grab liquidity. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's just drive on with down to us at 23.49. Alright, so that's 15 candle close. It's not there's no entry just yet. Interesting. Lots of volume today, man. Very good. I like it. I like it a lot. So you prop down to us here. Okay. That is a very, very nice candle, my friend. I'm looking left, right. Last time you propped down to us here. If you actually broke back below here, then I'm assuming that you just literally gonna just drive all the way back down towards these level right here on your left, or a minimum wick fill. So wait for a 30 minutes candle closure here, and you probably could take the wick fill coming down on the 30 minutes candle. So I'm very much waiting for the 30 minutes candle closure here, which closing in 10 minutes. Very good, very nice. I'm very much waiting for the 30 minutes candle closure here. Nothing else really. Because I'm assuming that you should be able to come down and fill the wick here on the 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes candle closed. If you don't, then is this the same play you're making? Could probably, aye. I'm looking left to tap here before. To tap here, you just come down. Tap exact same area. Prop up. The same move here as well. Right, 2 minutes for the 30-minute candle closure here. I'm expecting like a top wick before anything happens though. 1 minute here. 1 minute for 30 minutes candle closure. Okay, can you print a small top wick for me though? Five no top wick, 30 minutes no top wick, 5 no bottom wick, 15 has a wick to fill, so it's gotta be a little bit rough here. You got to be very patient here. Like, you can't impulse entry here because you feel like it. I would only look for the buy if this 30 minutes candle actually break the low. So from we break the low to the flip will be 14 pips. So that would be the only entry I can see for, because I'm assuming that you should be able to come up and create a top wick on 30 minutes here. You don't have a top wick on 30 minutes with a half an hour. Left on the 4 hours and the 1 hour, you have a resistance right here on your left that I can see. So you need to break the low though. You know what I'll do here? I will you know what I'm gonna do here? Plain and simple. I'm gonna take a buy here, and on the flip of the 30 minutes candle, I'm assuming that you should be able to push up and follow the wick on the 15. Once you flip on the 30 minutes, I'm expecting the 15 to follow the wick here. Break even be right here. Still 23 minutes left. Still 8 minutes left on the 15. We'll see whether it will create a top way on the 30 here, because you come down first thing. I'm assuming you should be able to come up before you drive down, like come up to these level right here. If you continue to drive down, or these level 2362, if you continue to drive down, I'm looking left, like these level on your left, like 60, or 62. At the level, I'm assuming you should be able to wrap up. If you do decide to come up here. Look, I said 2343. Yeah, I'm gonna tap first before you do anything, huh? Alright. That's cool. Yeah, it looks like 43, 23, 43 is a level you are going to continue to push down towards, because all these are just clean traffic here. You have nothing left. Now I'm assuming on the re-break the low, and you should drive here, but the 15 closing in 4 minutes. So I'll wait for the 15 candle closure, and then we enter off the 15 to come down towards that 23.43, because that is your daily range. I'm assuming that if you are coming down here, should come down all the way towards here. Oh, just smacked that level, huh? Alright, so now you tap into that level. It's a little bit tough to do here. You came down and smacked that TP. Interesting. can probably take the wick fill on the 15 coming down, but the fact that there's only 15 minutes left on the 1 hour, which kind of prevents me from taking trade here. Alright, so that is the opening of the 15. I'll take the re-break of the low on the 15 here, because I'm assuming that if you continue to come down and follow the wick here, should be able to come down and follow the rest of this wick on the 15. If you do decide to come down and re-break the low. Trading thought. That's something I need to put in. Alright, so that's a 15 flip there. I'm assuming that you should be able to come down and follow the wick here on the 15. Alright, 10 pips. Not bad. I'm assuming you should be able to just try and follow the wick here. Yeah, it should be for the wick here on the 15. Wow, this is all clean traffic, man. No structure, nothing at all. That's what I was going to write. Now it's about waiting for the 1 hour candle and the 4 hour candle closure here, because I'm assuming you should be able to come down for the rest of the wick here on the 4 hour candle. So we see here we're coming down a lot here. We don't have a lot of structure on the way down, so I'm assuming you should be able to come down and follow the wick on the way down here. So if you come, I'm not entirely sure you will be able to break this level though, but there is a support and resistance right here. Yeah, I'm assuming that you should be able to come down for the rest of this wick here on the 4 hours with the way we closing right now. It's very clean traffic, so I'm assuming that you should be able to push down here to get liquidity to drive up. That's what I'm assuming, because you have a lot of volume down here. Like, I would imagine like you have not drive up anywhere else. Looking left, you don't drive up from there, drive up from here. So where is that level that I'm just showing up? 23.42. Wow, isn't that crazy, bro? Five minutes for the 4-hour candle closure here. This level right here, certain. Yeah. That's what I was going to write, man. Yeah, I'm assuming you should be able to come down and follow the rest of this range here. Minimum. Depends on how we open up here. Yeah, 1 minute left. Alright, how you open up here? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to have a sell stop on the re-break of the low of the 4, because if it come down first, if it decides to come down first and fill the wick first with the up top wick, then yeah, sure, we be in there. But if it doesn't, for some reason it's coming up for a top wick, then sure, cool. Alright, so that is a re-break the low. I'm assuming you should be able to come down and fill the rest of the wick here. I'm gonna switch my screen so you guys can see. TP will be right down here on that re-break of the low. So yeah, what I'll do here, chat, I'll move my stop loss onto this candle high, assuming that once you re-break the low on the 15, that is your break-even level right here. Okay. You know what we'll do here? Yeah, that's literally the low on the 15. I'm assuming you should be able to drive down and fill the wick. If anything. You know what I do here? It is now a risk-free trade. Okay. Once the next 5 minutes kind of open up with a top wick and is pushed down and re-break the low, I'm assuming that you should be able to come down, and that will be our stop loss into that 5 minutes candle high. Alright. Now if the 5 actually end up closing with no bottom wick, we will manage our risk. Right, goes through there. Um, $33 pips, very nice. No bottom wick on the 5, coming down for the wick on the 1 and the 4. Once you follow the wick, once you follow the wick, then that's you. Like I said, let's see the 1 and the 4. Exactly what I said. Sometimes you don't need a top wick. If you continue to drive and follow the range, I'm assuming that you should, either way, you will be able to follow the wick. Once you follow the wick, then you're gonna come up with create a top wick. Then you will. But sometimes, if it was to come up with a top wick, then yeah, sure, it wouldn't come down and re-break the low. But if it was to come down and re-break the low, I'm assuming that you come down and follow the wick first before it does anything else. So that's 5, no bottom wick there, which is very, very nice. I mean, I'm not sure what it is. Like the 4-hour candle, like re-break low, flippish. 5 minutes and re-break the low. Wait for only 4 hours. No, not 5. Break even. Yeah, man, nice. I'll say this is that for me. Not gonna lie. Because the 1 hour, the 4-hour candle, that's really gonna come down for the wick here. And you just kind of, once you follow the wicks, it's not really a lot to say or do unless you see some more structure getting printed. Then you'll be able to see what it's going to do next. The 1 hour candle goes below as well, so I'm assuming you should be able to wrap down to 23.43 minimum. Follow that wick right there. 4 hours, just gotta fill the wick. One is fill the wick, I don't really know. It does whatever it wants to do. Which is the toughest part, because now you don't want to hunt. Now you want to wait until you have volume later, and then you hop on the wave. That was a really nice 5 minutes push down. One 5 minutes candle push down. That was really nice. Or did they re-break the low? That's a 4 hour completely wick, full of wick here. I'm assuming like looking left, I'm assuming you should be able to push towards 23.48 minimum, or to this level right here, 23.26. By the look of this, it's literally just clean traffic, bro. There's no structure here. So that when NFP coming out today, it's gonna be wild. But yeah, there's no structure coming down here. It's just clean push. It's literally just a clean push. The 1 hour candle closed below. Sure. Everything kind of closes below, come all the way down here. Man, today's gonna be Interesting. Because I'm assuming you should be pushed down here. Or here. So like 23.38 to 23.32 is very, it's going to be the level that you want to keep your eyes on. Because it's going to be very key here to see whether what you're going to do here. Like the 4 hours like overall, like you could respect in this level right here, right? Once you are left. You close respecting this level. So I'm assuming that even if you were to close respecting this level, like looking left every time you drive up here, you tap into this level right here, drive up here. What did you do? Tap into this level right here, drive up here. What do you do? Tap into this level right here. So that's what I'm assuming that's what you would do. But hey man, learning session for me is over. So I will catch you guys in the next stream. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. Very good day. 1 loss, 2 wins, 1 loss. Very nice. Good day, man. Very good day. Even though you have a loss, right? Always make sure that you think logically, like what's happening with price. Is price continue to push? Is there a range for it to continue to push? Where is it looking for it to push? And where's the level that is likely to tap into? Wait for the closure. Wait for higher time frame kind of closure, and just follow price action. All right. So with that being said, I'll call it a day. Gonna come back for Friday NFP later. If you guys can continue to trade, make sure you trade with stop loss. Make sure you trade. Make sure you follow your plan. Make sure you do everything that you should be doing. And win loss break even does not mean that you have a good or bad day. A good or bad day is really down to whether you follow your plan or not. And if you follow your plan and you follow what you always, as long as you follow what you always have been doing, then my friend, you're off to the right track. Like regardless of the result, like as long as you do what you have always been testing and you know that it's been working, then you are the winner, regardless of what's the result. All right. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Don't get FOMO here. I know you guys looking at, oh, pushing. We pushing. But looks like you are going to be able to push all the way towards that level to the left. I was saying right here. Anyway,